start my session. Keep heading everyone. Rate of interest. Keep heading everyone. Rate of interest. In previous class, I explained very clearly to you what is the meaning of rate of interest. Suppose one person is going to bank person is saying, I want to give loan to you, but I want to charge 4% of interest. What is the meaning of 4% of interest? Every 100 rupees he will charge 4 rupees. 9% of interest means every 100 rupees he will charge 9 rupees. 12% of interest means every 100 rupees he will charge 12 rupees. This is called rate of interest. Note down. It is the interest. It is the interest it is the interest on every 100 rupees on every 100 rupees on every 100 rupees for a fixed period of time. For a fixed period of time. What is rate of interest? It is the interest on every 100 rupees for a fixed period of time. Note down example. Rate of 12% per year or per annum, both are same. What is the meaning of rate of 12% per year? The interest paid on, what is the meaning of this? The interest paid on 100 rupees for 1 year the interest paid on 100 rupees for 1 year is rupees 12. Next keep heading, time period, capital T. Time period या time, capital T. It is the period of time it is the period of time it is a period of time for which money, on the bracket note down sum, for which money is borrowed. Now we are coming to our formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Note down, simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Simple interest denoted by SI. SI is not sub-inspector. SI is simple interest. Don't say sub-inspector is equal to. SI means simple interest. SI is equal to principal is P into R into T divided by 100. SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Some other are they are saying like that simply. SI is equal to PRT by 100. PRT means P into R into T. But which one is the main formula? This is the main formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Next, amount is equal to interest plus principal. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. How to keep this formula in mind? Simple interest, there are three terms are there. PRT multiplied by 100. Amount is starting with A. I start with interest start with I. P start with principal start with P. Alphabet A will come first is equal to interest will come next and P will come last. A is equal to I plus P. I SI both are same. Interest are simple interest both are same students. Now with the help of this formula, we are getting two more formula. This is the first formula. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. With the help of this formula, we will get two more formula. First formula, symbol I am mentioning here. Amount A is equal to interest means ISI both are same. Interest plus principal. A is equal to I plus P. I or SI both are same. Don't confuse students. Now interest is equal to amount minus principal. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. Two more formula. What is I here? Don't say I for ink part. I for interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Principal is equal to amount minus interest. Yeah. Note down example first. Example first, note down everyone. Note down example first. Yes, note down. Example first. Mr. Kumar Mr. Kumar borrows 2000 rupees at a rate of interest Mr. Kumar borrows 2000 rupees at a rate of interest of 5% for 1 year from a bank. Find the simple interest. Find the simple interest Find the simple interest. Find the simple interest of the borrowed of amount. Of the borrowed of amount. Yeah. Now, first line students you are observing. In previous class, I explained deposit, withdraw, borrow, lend, all are principal. 2000 rupees is what? Principal. Note down. Principal of amount is equal to solution. Principal of amount is equal to 2000 rupees. Rate of interest is equal to 5%. Per year means 1 year means we can write here per annum. Small p, small a. PA means not personal assistant, per annum. Okay, 5% per annum. Always keep in mind students, if they have mentioned percentage, that is called rate. Percentage symbol is there. If they have not given percentage also, what will assume? Percentage symbol, because that is rate. Rate of interest means always I want to mention percentage symbol. Got it? Next, time t is equal to 1 year. I want to apply formula. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. This is principal. This is rate. This is time. Substitute the value in the given formula. Principal is 2000 rupees. Rate is 5% per annum. Time is 1 year divided by 100. 20 up, 20 down. I want to cancel out. 20 into 5 is equal to rupees 100. Hence, the required interest of the given principal is, hence, the required interest of the given principal is ₹100. Students, are you understanding this point? Whatever line, first last line I have explained, means Mr. Kumar has taken money from the bank, 2000 rupees. He want to pay within 1 year, means after one year he want to pay how much amount? 2000 rupees plus 100 rupees. 2100 rupees total amount he will pay to the bank. Now students, you can understood, if any one person is taking loan, you can identify the, that person, bank person is taking proper interest or not. They are not taking more interest or they are taking less interest. You can calculate, you can check your answer to your parents. Yes, this is the interest, this much amount you have taken loan. Why bank people are giving wrong? You can check, you can identify, yes, whatever bank person is taking, charging the interest, you can identify this is the interest and this is the principal. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next, example second. Find the simple interest example second. Find the simple interest find the simple interest find the simple interest if principal is equal to if principal is equal to where it gone? Yes, if principal is equal to 2800 rupees, comma, rate of interest is equal to rate of interest is equal to 2% per annum. What is PA here? What is PA? Per annum या 1 year. And time is and time is equal to 5 years. Time is equal to 5 years. Now we want to find out simple interest. Note down. SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Solution. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Principal he has given 2,800 rupees. Rate is 2% per annum. Time he has given 5 years divided by 100. 2020 cancel. 28 into 5 to the 10. 280 rupees. Next, example 3. Example 3. Find the amount for loan of 5,000 rupees at the rate of 5% per year per annum for 5 years. This chapter is very easy chapter, student. Based on formula question they will ask. Now in this question, firstly, find the amount. Amount is equal to question mark. For the loan of 5,000, loan means principal. Principal P is equal to rupees 5,000. Rate of interest R is equal to 5%. Time T is equal to 5 years. Firstly, I want to find out simple interest. Then I can find out amount. Note down. SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Simple interest SI is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. What is SI here? Simple interest. Otherwise, Nitika will say, who is that SI? Sub-inspector. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Substitute the value, everyone. Find out the SI. Principal is 5,000. 5,000 into rate is 5 years. Sorry, rate is 5%. Time is 5 years divided by 100. This 2020 cancel. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 1,250 rupees. 1,250 rupees. This is SI. But I want to find what? Amount. Amount is equal to interest plus principal. Note down. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal या interest plus principal. Simple interest plus principal. Simple interest we got 1,250 plus principal is what? 5,000 rupees. Answer is 6,250 rupees. Hence amount is 6,250 rupees. Question number 4, note down. Example 4. Find the simple interest on rupees 8,250 at 16% per annum for 3 integer 1/2 3.5 years. Also find the amount. Now in this year time I have mentioned given in fraction form. Don't confuse. Yes. Find the simple interest. Firstly, I want to find out SI. Principal he has given 8,250 rupees. Note down. Principal is equal to 8,250 rupees. Yes, finally I got it. Solution. Yes. Principal is equal to 8,250 rupees. Next, rate R is equal to rate R is equal to rate R is equal to 16% per annum. Time T is equal to 3 integer 1 by 2 means 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2 years. Now SI is equal to simple interest. SI is equal to principal into rate into time PRT by 100. Now here very interesting things is the principal is 8,250. Rate is what? 16%. Time is what? 7 by 2. 7 is numerator. I will write in numerator, no problem. 100 into 2. 2 is denominator. I will in denominator. Simple concept. 7 will write up and 2 will write down. No cancellation. 2 ones are 2. 2 8 is 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 5 is 25. 2 7s are 14. Numerator is coming. 8250 into 2 into 2 into 7 divided by 25. Now divide by 5 everyone. 5 5s are 25. Next 5 ones are 5. Next how much remaining? 3. 30. 5 6 are 30. Next 2. 5 5s are 25.